Here's a pair of the JBL Tune Buds 2. I'm going to show you how to put it into pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to another device, and then how to factory reset these. So first thing is, let's connect to my Samsung Galaxy S25, and then after that we'll connect to my iPhone 16e. So let's connect to my Samsung Galaxy phone first. Now let me open the buds up. Now they should automatically be in a pairing mode. I'll know that they're in pairing mode if they're blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, with the Android phone, you see this pop up here. I can connect from here, or if not, I can go to the traditional way. I can just go to settings, and then I'm going to go to connections, Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and that spinning thing, they're searching for device that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here under available devices. They're still in the pairing mode. It did find the JBL Tune Buds 2. Let's tap that. With Android phones like the Samsung Galaxy here, we should get a pairing request. Okay, and I'll tap on pair, and voila, we're connected, ready to go on this phone. Okay, now let's close this up. Now let's say we want to go ahead and connect to another phone. So now let's connect to a iPhone here. So I'm currently connected to this phone over here, remember. Okay, so let me open these up. Now when I open these up, it's not going to be in pairing mode because it's connected to that phone over there. So instead of the lights blinking blue, 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 we're going to get a solid blue light here on both, and then it's going to turn off, okay, indicating that we're connected to a device, which is that one there. So how do we connect to this one? Okay, so we're going to connect to this one. We're going to have to manually put this into pairing mode, and to do that, you need to use one of the buds, left or right. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to use the right one here. What I'm going to do is take that one bud out, and I'm going to tap, and then tap and hold, and keep holding until both of these lights start blinking blue to force it into pairing mode. So let's do that. I'm going to take this out. All right, ready? Tap, tap, and hold, and just keep holding for 10 seconds or so, or wait till both lights start blinking. If not, then we got to do it over again. Oh, there we go. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we can go ahead and connect to this phone here. You can see that they're both blinking. So the iPhone here, we're going to go to settings. And then from here, from settings, we're going to go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and then scroll down a little bit and see where it says other devices. That little spinny thing is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up here under other devices. It did found the JBL Tune Buds 2. Let's tap on that right there. Give it 1 second, and voila, we are connected, ready to go. So now we're actually connected to both phones. So if I listen to music here, I'll watch a YouTube video, the audio is going to come out of here. If I lock this one and go to this phone, open it up, watch YouTube, listen to music, the audio will come out of here. So that's how you connect the two devices. Now let's go and factory reset these. With a factory reset, you can help resolve issues like connecting problems, pairing problems, one side's not working, the volume's lower on one side, maybe it keeps disconnecting, maybe you hear static, it's out of sync, and so on. So let's factory reset these, okay? So let me go ahead and open the case up. Now, this time with the factory reset, what we're going to do is the same thing again. We're going to take out one of the buds. It doesn't matter the left or right one. I'll take out the right one, and then what I'm going to do is when we force it into pairing mode, we tap, and then tap and hold. For the factory reset, we want to tap, 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 and hold. Okay, so let's take this out, and then we're going to go tap, 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 and hold. Now just keep holding here until both the lights here blink like twice and it turns off. You have to wait like 10 seconds or so. I may have to do this again. Sometimes it takes me a couple times to do it. Okay, looks like it didn't work. Let me go ahead and let go, and let me do it again. Ready? Tap, 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 and hold. Now just keep holding. Let's see if I got it. Come on. It's not working. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? Let me do it a little bit faster. Tap, 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 and hold. Still holding here. You see it blink twice, and then it turned off. Okay, now just put it into the case, close it to complete the factory reset. Okay, wait till the lights here turn off. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and open these up, and after a moment, both of these should be blinking blue. Now it's back into pairing mode, okay? So now it's back into pairing mode. Now let's say if you want to connect back to the same phone, all right, like the Samsung. Remember, we were currently paired to this phone before. So in order for me to connect back to this phone again, or the other phone, I have to go into settings. I have to delete it out of the paired list. See, it was paired before. I have to remove this. So tap on that settings, and I'll tap on unpair. With the iPhone, it'd be like, forget this device. If you're on a TV, it may be like delete or remove. Anyway, I just removed it. And now if I tap on rescan or just scan it again, I'd be able to connect. It's still in the pairing mode, and it did find it, and now I can connect back to this phone. But same thing if I want to connect back to the iPhone, I have to take it off, delete it out of the pairing list. Anyway, I hope you guys got all of that. Any questions or issues, just comment below.